Start by copying the styling balm. Right-click and select Copy, or press Ctrl+C. Then, go to Slide 5, the copy of the beard oil slide. Right-click on the beard oil image, select Change Picture, then choose From Clipboard. The clipboard contains the styling balm image you just copied, but the image isn't the right size. So, right-click again, select From Device, and choose the transparent styling balm image from the materials provided. Now, right-click on the image and select Crop. Then, move and center the image as needed to fit your design. Now, we need to link the styling balm so that when you click the object, it will transition to the correct slide. Go to Slide 4, then select the styling balm. Right-click, go to Link, and then select Insert Link. Then, select Place in this document. Select Slide 5 and click OK. Let's play the slide and see what happens. If you click the styling balm, it just appears instantly. But when you click any other object, it smoothly slides across the screen. This happens because we duplicated the slide, and now the styling balm object appears twice on the screen, once on the left, where we want it to appear, and once overlaying the background. This causes the transition to bug out, so we need to delete the duplicate. Let's fix it and play the slide now. Great. Now the slide plays as intended. To finish the links, you need to go to each slide and link the styling balm to Slide 5. Each object on every slide needs to be linked to the correct slide for smooth navigation. Under the tab Transitions, you can see which transition I've used. The Morph transition. If you try some of the other options, like Push, you can change the way the slide moves when you click the linked object. Have a look or try yourself. Setting the styling balm back to the Morph transition, you can see the option in the top right corner under Advanced Slide. Here, you can set the slide to change automatically after a chosen time interval. Without clicking, the slide now automatically transitions to the next one after 2.5 seconds. Because you need an overlay of transparent objects to make each product clickable, there can sometimes be misalignment between the background and the transparent objects. One solution is to use a placeholder image in place of the transparent picture. This helps work around the bug we encountered earlier, where having the same object twice caused issues with the transition. So, let's get to it and add a placeholder image to Slide 5. Go to Slide 4, the original beard oil slide, and select the styling balm. Then, click Copy. Proceed to Slide 6. Right-click and select Paste as Picture. Then rename the picture and copy it. Go to Slide 4 and match its location with the styling balm on that screen. Look for the red alignment lines. Once it's perfectly aligned, right-click and select Cut. Then, go to Slide 5 and paste in the placeholder. You'll see now that it perfectly matches the alignment with each slide. But since we started by duplicating this slide, we now need to replace the beard oil placeholder with the correct object. So, delete the placeholder, then go to Slide 3 and copy the beard oil from there. Finally, paste it into Slide 5. Quick tip. It's a good idea to keep your objects organized. You can click and drag them up and down in the selection pane to arrange them properly. Additionally, rename your objects so you don't lose track of them. Let's play the slide one last time and check if everything is aligned. Looks good. Now, all we need to do is add the correct text to the text field. You can copy the header and subheader from the materials provided. One last quick tip. If you copy and paste the text, you can see that the text now has the wrong formatting. You can solve this by going to Slide 4, copy its text field, and paste it into Slide 5. Then, go to the Home tab, select Format Painter, and click on the new text field. This will automatically apply the correct formatting.